Hey everyone, it's Jackie Judah here. Welcome to the 7-day ab challenge. Are you ready for today's challenge? Move number 1 are mountain climbers. So you're going to set up with your shoulders in line with your wrists in plank position. 2 options: tap the knee or bring the knee all the way up. You can take it slow or you can take it fast, keeping your hips down. Nothing up here. Keep it flat. All right? Move number 2. You're going to start in a bowler's lunge. You're going to really be working the glutes here, and we're going to be working our obliques. Come down, crunch. Come down, crunch. Bringing the elbow to meet the knee. Over, crunch. You do this for the time allotted. Following that, you're going to hold it up. And you're going to pulse, pulse, pulse. Really working those obliques, obliques, obliques. Following that, you're taking it down. Set it back up into plank position. You're going in and out abs. Jump in, jump out, jump in, jump out. Option, step. All right? Following that, you're going to set up on the other side. Hands come up, take it down, and crunch. Take it down, crunch, down. Hold it up, pulse, 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 pulse. Are you ready? Your last move. Come down into plank again and hold. You can do this on your hands. You can do it on your knees. Lower the knees. Tap and up. Tap and up. If you do it on your elbows, same thing. Tap, up, tap, up. Last move. Hold, Superman. Just hold for 1 minute. Can't wait to see how you do. Comment below and like the page, Jackie Judah Fitness. See you tomorrow.